what is abyssal zone? We can say that the ocean between or about 4,000 to 5,000 meter deeper in the ocean region is considered as abyssal zone. Here you can see that it is a zone of photic, means the region till the depth of 200 meter, where it is, we can say, the light is able to come and the life also marine animals exist. Below 200 meter the light is not able to come, food is not available, then there is no life exist, and that is 200 to 4,000 meter, we can say it is known as without light zone or photic. Photic means light. And below 4,000 meter it is a very deep zone, there is no life exist at all, and it is known as for abyssal zone, that is below 4,000 to 5,000 meter, it is abyssal zone. I think again this is clear completely, and this whole deep ocean is in a pelagic realm. It is in a pelagic realm, means pelagic region.